In this video I am going to show you how to create passport size photo and set in a page. This is the photo I am going to use for that. So first we have to remove the background. To remove the background you can select the quick selection tool. Click on select subject. Once the selection appears, you can apply layer mask on it. If everything looks fine, just right click and apply layer mask. This will merge. Now we have to create a passport size page. For that, press Ctrl N and select the size. So mostly it comes 2 by 2 inch, but you also can keep 1.5 by 2. 1.5 is the width and 2 is the height. Resolution always keep 300. If you like, you can select color and change from here. For now I am keeping it white and create. Once the page is ready, just go back to your old image, press and hold shift and drag and drop. Press Ctrl T and resize. This looks okay for me. Press enter. Press C to crop. Press enter and then again press enter. Now it will set on the page. You can click here and unlock the layer. Now press and hold Ctrl and select the layer and press Ctrl E. This will merge. Now press Ctrl A. You will see a selection has appeared. With this selection, go to select, modify, select contract. Keep the value 10 and click here. Press OK. This will create a border like this. With this, go to select again and click on inverse. With the foreground color is white, press Alt Delete. You will see a border has created now. Press Ctrl D to remove the selection. Now this is done. Now we have to set it in a page for the print. You can press Ctrl N again. And for print, you can click here and choose a A4 size page. With this setting, click on create. Now go to your passport page, press and hold shift and drag it to the print page. Press Ctrl T and place it. Sometimes you may find the snapping is not working. You can go to view, snap and select all. So now this is set to the corner. You can press Ctrl J, make a copy and place it like this. So this is done. You also can do one more thing. Press C and crop it. Press enter. Go to image and click on image size. Change the unit to pixel. You will see it is showing 2250 by 3000. Create a new page. Change the unit to pixel and type the value 2250 by 3000. in create. Now go to your passport page, go to edit and select define pattern and rename it like student. Press OK. Now with the new layer you created, you can press Shift F5 for the fill, or you also can go here edit and click on fill. Change the content to pattern. From here custom pattern, select your pattern just now you created and press OK. This will automatically place all the images. Both the way you can set your page and it will be ready for the print.